All right, in this problem, we've got a linear function and we've got a quadratic function. And we can tell the quadratic function is going to open down. And we can tell the line's going to go up because it's got a slope, a positive slope. And what we need to do is find the area between the two curves. And we also need to find where the two curves intersect. So the first thing we're going to do is, since they both equal y, we'll just make them equal to each other. And we'll try to figure out the x value of the intersection points. And when I do this, I'm going to get a quadratic. I go ahead and factor it, make it equal to 0. I find out that my x is going to equal -3 and -1. And that's the boundaries for my a and b. And I'm now going to find the area between the two curves. When I find the area between the two curves, I'm going to take the bottom one and subtract it from the top one. The bottom one's the line, so I'm going to take the quadratic minus the line, and I'm just doing the rules here. And when I subtract it, remember, subtract the second one as a group. And now I'm just going to simplify, and I'm going to end up with this. And then I'm going to integrate this from -1 to -3. And I'm just going to go -3x because it's a constant, and then I'm going to put plus, and then -4, leave a gap. X, it's going to grow up to 2, so I'm going to write a 1/2. Now I'm going to leave a -1, leave a gap. It's going to be x to the third, so I write 1/3. And now all I got to do is simplify, and then I'm going to have my integral function. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug a -1 in and a -3. I'm going to subtract them, and then that'll be the area between the two curves. And so here I go. I always write them on top of each other. I just write them first, and then I write the second one right underneath it. So it's really clear that I've written them exactly the same way. And I'm going to put in the different variable for each one. And when I do the first one, I get a 4/3. I do the second one, I get a 0. When I subtract them, I get 4/3. That's the area between the two curves. And we're done. So I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.